Hello UPSC aspirants, welcome to Study Regime. As we have promised that we will be launching our flagship program, that is 120 plus marks prelims booster program. So as you know that UPSC Prelims 2022 is knocking at the door. So without wasting any further time, let me tell you about our major features of this program. This program will be streaming on YouTube. This program will contain majorly three features. First, discussion of most probable topics for UPSC Prelims 2022. It will be followed by the discussion of previous year questions and probable questions. Then the third part is test and assessment. Prelims में करने के लिए बहुत topics हैं. There are several topics that need to be covered for Prelims 2022. But for an aspirant, it is important to understand which is most important or potential topic for the Prelims 2022. If an aspirant goes for the filtration or segregation of the important topics, then he has to invest a lot of time into it. But now this is high time to understand we do not have that plenty of time to invest into it. So what is the solution? Therefore, as a solution, we have accumulated all the important topics for Prelims 2022. So what you all have to do is to stay with us for next 30 days and get the hall ticket for mains examination. Most of the time you have heard that Prelims is a tricky examination and you can eliminate the options using the terminologies given in the question itself. But how aspirants will develop it, nobody discuss about it. Also, it needs lot of time and continuous practice. Now here we come into play. You need not to worry, just have faith on Study Regime and stay connected with us for next 30 days. So all you have to do is to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Thank you.